Alright, so we're gonna change out the cabin filter for Tesla 2023 Tesla Model Y, and then to windshield plates. So we got two cabin filters, and it's look it over here. Now I'll have to remove the side panel, and then this panel here, it's got clips, so you should be able to remove it. It's just two hands. And we got clips here. You can remove those with a flathead screwdriver, or like this tool, or sometimes it comes with that tool if you purchase it from Amazon, but I purchased from Tesla.com, so it doesn't come with that tools. Alright, so pull this one down. Now we'll have to remove these two wires, so you can take this one from this side. Some of the filters right there. Hopefully you can use this star key. So you would need T20 for this, or number 6 ratchet. Alright, so it's done. I'll have to remove the cover now. Cover is done, so I'm gonna pull from the tab over there. Okay, pulled both of them out. They're not that bad, but it's a little bit clogged inside. So, but it was stinking inside, so that's why I had to change it. So there's a date of manufacture here, manufacturer 23/01/16. This one is a recent one, 05/02, so I'm gonna put this one in. So one is gonna go underneath, and the second one is gonna go on top. So basically it's gonna stack up like this arrow to go like this. All right, so it's right here. Make sure you leave the tabs outside. Now we gotta put the covers back on and plug in those wires and put the side panel back. Okay, it's on. Now I'll have to put the wires back on. Under cover panel is done. Now side panel, it just goes back to the same clips and holes. All right, it's done.